wan shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia junken.
I take this opportunity to wish all the citizens of our state on this joyous occasion and this season of Christmas. This season is a joyous moment for all of us, and I hope that it is filled with happiness and all the love and peace and joy that Christmas brings along with it. And so I once again take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very, very Merry Christmas. And also would like to take this opportunity to thank God Almighty for all the blessings that He has given to our state and to our country and to each and every one of us in this last 1 year. And I also pray that He blesses each and every one of you for the coming 2024 year. So Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year.